Smile Tighten Teeth Whitening Kit, made in USA. Comes with teeth whitening gel, mouth guard, and LED light. Instructions on how to place a battery in and simple steps on how to use it. Teeth shade guide that will help you watch your progress. Soft and easy to clean silicone mouth guard. Attach the mouth guard onto LED light. Apply whitening gel onto the silicone walls where your teeth will be touching. Next step is to place the mouth guard into your mouth, press the on button, and wait for 10 minutes. When 10 minutes are up, it will turn off. Take the silicone off and wash it. Happy whitening!